Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing well. So it's a new video, and in this video I'm going to be discussing how I'm going to be doing my next study challenge. So I'm going to be doing 10 hours study challenge, and in this challenge we are going to be studying for 10 hours daily for 10 days. So few days ago I asked you guys in my community tab how you guys want this challenge to be like. You guys want study with me sessions or study vlogs. So most of you have voted for study with me sessions, but the difference in ratio is not much. Even I want to do study with me sessions, but this doesn't seem to be that possible. So the first thing is my internet these days is not working properly, so that's why I do not want the stream to get interrupted in between again and again. And second thing is I need to learn how to stream live, I need to learn whole OBS studio and all, but it doesn't seem possible because these days I'm very much busy with my studies and it will require me almost 3 to 4 hours to learn the whole studio. So that's why I'm not going to be doing live study with me sessions, and I will upload study vlogs as usual. And I will not upload the vlogs daily. I will compile 2 days and then upload one vlog, because editing daily and studying for 10 hours daily and shooting daily is a task. So I will compile 2 days and then upload one vlog. So now talking about our 10 hour study challenge in detail. So basically you guys know studying for 10 hours a day is not difficult task, but studying for 10 hours a day continuously for 10 days is a task. So I think this challenge will help us to be consistent. So basically, honestly saying, I'm not studying much these days. I'm only studying for 8 hours a day these days, and I really want to improve it. So I guess this challenge will also help me a lot to improve. So in this challenge our target will be to study for 10 hours continuously for 10 days. Obviously we can study for more than 10 hours, but 10 hours will be the minimum limit. So that's how this challenge will help us to be consistent, and hopefully after this challenge we can easily study for 10 hours every day. So most of you guys have told me waking up for you guys at 4 a.m. is a task, and honestly saying for me it is also these days. I'm not at all waking up early these days, so I really want to improve that, and again I hope this challenge will help me to do so. So as it is a 10 hour study challenge, so you guys can wake up at your own time and go to sleep at your own time, but our basic goal will be to study at least for 10 hours a day. So most of you guys have also asked me whether we are going to be adding our classes time in this 10 hours. So basically I am, because my classes are not for much time, they are only for 3 hours a day. So still I will be getting 7 hours of self study, which is not bad, and it depends on you whether you want to include your time your classes time or not. And this challenge is going to be starting from 1st of June till 10th of June. So talking about how this challenge can help you guys. So from 1st of June you guys can also start this challenge with me, and when my study vlog will come, you guys can see the improvement. If you guys are doing better, then I need to improve, and if I am doing better, so then you guys need to improve, and that's how we guys can motivate each other to study. So yeah, that's it for this study challenge. I hope you guys will join this, and please let me know in the comment section below how many of you guys are joining this challenge. So yeah, that's it for this video and this study challenge. So I will be uploading a new study vlog on 3rd of June, which will be the first and second day of our 10 hour study challenge. So yeah, that's it for this video and this study challenge. I hope you guys will join this, and I hope at the end of this challenge it will be beneficial for all of us. So yeah, I will see you guys on 3rd of April with the new study vlog. Bye bye.